Well, thank you all so much for coming out, taking time away from your day. As you know, we're going to be building bikes today. We've got 48 in total that we're going to put together. We have our principals here to join us as well. So super excited to have you here in the hot, humid heat here in Kentucky. As you know, Wayne from All Kids Bike is here.
Just want to share, put these bikes together. One, they're simple. They're simple for a reason. We want to make it simple for the school. We want to make it simple for the kids. 54% of American kids don't know how to ride a bike. Screen time for a 7-year-old pre-COVID was 7 hours a day.
Our music room can have the ukuleles, and then our gym can have the bike.
This is an amazing fit. We have bike racks at school. I'd love them to be filled next year with kids who are riding to school.
I feel very fortunate that we have the opportunity to have these bikes in our school. It's not something we would have been able to afford.
We have primarily low-income population, and so I'm really excited that this donation will provide exposure to our students who typically wouldn't be able to learn how to ride a bike.
About to happen, getting ready to run in 24 little fine balanced bikes into a school assembly of unsuspecting kindergartners who are about to have their morning rocked by Keen.
Good morning, everyone. Oh, thank you. Oh, we have a really special surprise. Your principal and your PE teacher have worked really hard to bring something really special to your school.
We do have a big